This is the room in the AIRE Hotel. What was that, Stella? Always connect me. Shower, very nice shower. Bathroom area, it's very nice. And in here we've got a toilet. Whoops. The toilet is one of those Japanese, what do you call them?
Bum cleaners.
Yeah, bum cleaners. Bidet toilets. Very nice. Split level. Down here is the bedroom. On this level. Very nice room. And we've got a plaza view. That's the town hall. Very nice. One of the only criticisms I could make about the room, there is no USB charging points, so you'd have to bring your charger, and most hotels these days have a USB charging point. All the normal amenities. They had a fridge, which was pretty good, which was quite useful. Coffee machine, as standard. Telephone, hotel telephone, which I don't know if anyone uses them these days because you can never get anyone to answer them.
He did say that some of the phones go through to reception and others don't.
Yes. Yeah, he did say, yeah, he picked that up. Some of the phones go to reception and some don't, which is, well, why bother? Yeah, and then up here, there's no lighting, but it's like two little sofas up here. Well, more than a sofa, you could have another person sleeping up here on one of them. Just a little lounge area. All in all, not bad. Aircon, obviously. Yes, very nice. Very nice, and as I said before, a nice view of the square. Quiet morning, quiet Saturday morning. Building up to another hot day in prospect. Okay, speak later. Bye.